Click the Manage button to enter the Manage Translation page. And then click on the store page you want to edit to go to the editing page. After entering the editing page, the machine translation results are on the right side. You can correct the translation and then click Save to save your edits. You can also quickly switch between sections using the drop-down menu at the top. If you can't find the content you want to edit, you can use the global search to locate it. If you wish to batch edit translation content locally, you can first go to the editing page and click the Export button to export the translation file. After editing in Excel, click Upload to upload the file to the section, and the translations will be replaced with the edited file. If your store content is updated in the future and you want to automatically update the translations, enable the Auto Translation feature. Please note that only products and collections will be automatically sync. For other content, free plan users need to sync manually, while paid users will have an automatic sync from 2 to 3 a.m. daily. You can also sync immediately by clicking the Sync button. If you haven't enabled auto translation, any updates to your store content will not be automatically translated. You can check the number of items translated to confirm if everything has been translated. And you can click Translate to manually initiate the translation process. First, select the content to update translations. Numbers highlighted in yellow indicate that there are new additions or updates to the original content of the module. After selecting, choose the translation type. New content means translating newly added fields of the items, while outdated means translating where the original content has been changed. After making your selection, click Translate. If you are concerned about losing translations or wish to revert to the last edited content, first, you need to click Backup, and we will save your current translation file. And when you want to restore, click the Restore button. The translation results will revert to the content from the last backup. Please note, each language can only have one backup, and once you click Restore, the action cannot be undone.